Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on factory pattern, which is one of the creational design pattern. Generally, factory pattern is widely used in frameworks like Spring, Struts, and factory pattern is one of the famous design pattern where we end up creating multiple objects, and we need to have a design pattern in a way how we need to create. So let's deep dive into the hands-on. So how do we start with? So we created an example of computers, PC and servers. So first we create either an interface or an abstract. Right now we have created an abstract class called computer. We have three abstract methods here: get RAM, get HDD, get CPU, and we have overridden the toString method to print all these values. So this is a computer abstract class where now I need to create a PC out of it. So I have a PC class where PC extends computer, and then we are having a string RAM, HDD, and CPU, and we are initializing it into the PC constructor. We are having a parameterized constructor here. Now, as we extend computer, we are overriding the values of the abstract methods get RAM, get HDD, and get CPU. Similarly, we have created another class server which extends computer, and it as we have three instance variable which is initialized in a parameterized constructor, and we are overriding get RAM, get HDD, get CPU as we are extending computer. Now we have created and we have created PC and server which extends computer and defines its own features and overrides. Now we have coming to the most important part. We are creating a computer factory. This is a factory class where I have a static method, and inside it I am getting a parameters RAM, HDD and CPU, and then there is a string type. It will help us to decide which object we need to create at the runtime. So if it is PC, type is PC, we are creating a new object PC. If the type is server, we are creating a new object server. So this is all about the a simple example of factory design pattern. Right now we have to test this. We have to test whether the how the factory computer factory works. So here we have a test factory for testing this, and we have, as usual, we have a public static void main class to execute. We are creating objects using computer factory. So whatever inputs we give, accordingly this computer factory will create the object. Here we give type as PC, it will create a PC instance, and we are giving server, and it will create a server instance, and we are printing both PC and the server. Let's see how this gets executed. So I am running this test factory. If you could see, we are creating a PC config with these values, and we are having a server uh, with these values. So this is how the factory works. So in general, factory pattern is something if we need to create application, we can use factory design pattern, and factory design pattern decides on the runtime which objects need to be created. And yeah, so that's it all about the factory pattern. Please do follow us and then subscribe to our channel for more such videos on design patterns as well as any other computer science concepts. Thank you and have a good day.